Do you think Stoicism is just about suppressing your emotions, ignoring your problems, and putting on a stone-faced expression? If yes, then you are completely wrong. Today, I will show you what true Stoicism really is, and why it can be the most powerful tool for your life in today's chaotic world. Because today, we are going to talk about 10 unspoken truths of Stoicism. Hey Stoics, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is very special. We have all heard a lot about Stoicism, but there are some things that are mostly overlooked. These are the hidden gems that truly make this philosophy life-changing. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. 1. Stoicism is not weakness, it's strength. First point, Stoicism is not weakness, but ultimate mental strength. It teaches you not to be a slave to your emotions, but to be their master. Controlling doesn't mean suppressing. It's like a soldier who controls his fear, he doesn't hide it. 2. It's not about not caring, it's about caring rightly. People say Stoics don't care about anything that's absolutely wrong. Stoicism teaches you what you can control and what you can't. You should fully focus on your family, your health, your efforts, but don't waste time on what other people say, or the condition of the market. 3. The secret to happiness isn't in chasing, but in accepting. We think we'll be happy once we get a specific thing. Stoics say, happiness is available right now, by accepting what you already have, and by gracefully accepting what is beyond your control. 4. It's about preparing for the worst, not expecting the worst. Premeditatio malorum, thinking about potential hardships in advance. Doing this doesn't mean the world is a dangerous place. Rather, it's like checking your spare tire before you set out on a long journey. You are hopeful, but also prepared. 5. Silence is a superpower. You don't have to react to every single situation. Sometimes, the biggest victory is the one where you stay silent and protect your peace. It's better to save your energy than to get into a pointless argument. 6. Your perspective is your reality. How you view a situation becomes your reality. That you're stuck in a traffic jam, you can get angry seeing it as a waste of time, or you can listen to your favorite podcast and make that time productive. The choice is yours. 7. Amor fati, love your fate. This is one of my favorite concepts. Amor fati, love your fate. Whatever life brings to you, accept it, embrace it, and learn from it to move forward. There's a hidden lesson in every problem. 8. It's a practice, not a theory. You don't learn Stoicism just by reading books. It's a daily practice, a few minutes of reflection in the morning, facing a small problem head-on, feeling gratitude every day. It's like going to the gym, but for your mind. 9. You are the architect of your character. Stoicism reminds you that your true wealth is your character, your honesty, your integrity, and your courage. You can't control the external world, but you build the person within you every single day. 10. It's for everyone, everywhere. Finally, this philosophy isn't for just one type of person. Whether you're a student, a businessperson, a parent, or an artist, Stoicism can give you discipline, peace, and clarity. It's a universal tool. And those were the 10 Stoic truths that will completely destroy all your excuses. Now you have no reasons left. Now I have a simple question for you. Out of these 10 truths, which one was your favorite? And which excuse are you going to drop starting today? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel to stay connected with more powerful lessons like this. Don't forget to like the video. Have a great day, and stay stoic.